6:50 on this Thursday, and it is going to be a hot day.
Feeling, what, 104 to 100?
I know, melting, right? Just melting into my spot. But it is. It's going to be very, very hot today with heat advisories in place. I've got your full forecast coming up in 15 seconds. Duncan, we get you outside Daytona Beach. Beautiful sunrise happening there. You can see the official time, 6:52, so just moments for that sun to peek up over the horizon. 77 degrees for us downtown Orlando. We're getting that glowing sky as well. We are in the 80s. Looks, I'm just running through all the cameras here for you. Over at Cocoa Beach, beautiful as well. I didn't plan it that way, but we got a nice little show. So upper 70s and low 80s early this morning. Heat index in the mid 80s for us to start us off. We're going to head, though, to 104 to 109. We were just mentioning that. Some big numbers today. And levels like that means a heat advisory in place for Orange County, Seminole County, really all of Central Florida except for Sumter and over in parts of Polk County for us today. That's 11 to 7 o'clock, an 8-hour stretch where I anticipate the heat index to be over 100 and again peaking at 104 to 109. And you can see that's happening by that 11 o'clock hour. 2 o'clock, 105 in Sanford, 104 in Daytona, kind of bouncing between the triple digits as we take you through the remainder of the afternoon. And some showers will help us out today. Not a whole lot of rain, though. Winds out of the south and west, I think, will help push most of the rain off towards our east coast, especially as we get closer towards that I-95 corridor. Also, some heavier pockets of rain, lightning, again, similar to what we had last night. And some of those storms over the I-4 corridor will be possible. Then the tropics we go, talking about Erin. I know a lot of people are talking about this storm system that has been brewing. Still a tropical storm, winds at 50 miles per hour. We've seen some gradual strengthening, and we'll see continued gradual strengthening throughout the day today, but through the rest of the week and into the weekend, that's where we'll potentially see some rapid intensification, becoming our first hurricane of the season, potentially becoming a major hurricane as well. But notice where the track and where the models keep this system, north of the Virgin Islands, north of Puerto Rico, turning to the north before it reaches the Bahamas. All great news for those island communities, and even for us here in Central Florida. If we stick to this track, this would be staying east of us here in Central Florida. Now, the impacts that we would feel would mainly be marine impacts. That means our high surf, some dangerous rip currents as we head through the middle of next week. Timing, probably Wednesday is when we'll see some of the highest surf. That'll put some of those breaking waves closer to 6 to 7 feet here along our local coastline. But our 7-day forecast, that weekend always in view. It's just going to be hot and steamy the next couple of days with those mid-90s. Now the weekend still hot, but at least we'll get a better chance for some rain and storms. 6:52 now is our time. Here's Alexa.
Shut down college road.